Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome again to the Language 3 course. Today we'll be moving on with the syllabus and deal with adverbial and noun clauses. As we have already discussed in previous lessons, clauses are a group of words that have a similar or the same structure as a sentence. Moreover, it is possible to classify them into independent or dependent clauses. Before we start, as well as in the case of non-finite clauses, adverbial and noun clauses are subordinate, that is to say, dependent clauses. So, we will find them in complex or compound complex sentences. To begin with, adverbial clauses are those that function as adverbials in a sentence, that is to say, as adjuncts adding more information, disjuncts making a comment at the beginning of the sentence and usually separated using commas, and conjuncts joining two sentences. As you will see, most adverbial clauses are used as adjuncts. The following are the main types of adverbial clauses. Please, in the platform, go and check for the document which contains the main subordinating conjunctions heading each of the following. Adverbial clauses of time say when something happens, place say where something happens, manner state how something happens, reason they state why something happens, purpose they state the aim or the purpose for something to happen, result they say what results something or an action has brought about, concession they imply that there is something important about what is being said in the main clause. They are usually used for the sake of contrast. Comment, that is to say, adjuncts or disjuncts. Comparison, as the name indicates, to compare. Proportion, which indicate that the more or the less something happens, the more or the less another action will happen. This has already been covered in the Grammar 2 course as combined comparison. And finally, condition. They state the conditions that would be necessary for what is being said in the main clause to happen. In brief, conditional sentences. Finally, noun clauses, as the name indicates, have functions as nouns or pronouns in the sentence. For instance, they can function as the subject in a sentence, direct object, indirect object, complement of a verb, or complement of a preposition. Noun clauses are typically headed by subordinating conjunctions, interrogative pronouns, or interrogative determiners. We will rediscuss this in our next meeting. This is the end of today's lesson. Have a nice day and please complete the activity.